What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Brewer here. Today we got a tag team 1v1 from TNC. It's Boog and what's his name? Zay? Something like that? Isaiah, something like that? And I think it's Mo and some other nigga.
Ypsilanti, Michigan. This is my second season with Next Chapter. First one went good.
I'm a defensive player, so I'm looking to see like
I just gonna give y'all a little time to show y'all where.
Isaiah.
We want all the guys out there so fuck it. We're gonna give you it.
Mo and Zoe. Good and set. Okay. That's how you do it. Mo and Zoe. Good and set.
Zay, you went crazy in the 3-on-3. You look like you're in great shape for this season. I'm excited to see you playing this. Anything that you want to tell the fans on your journey?
Nah, I'm ready to hoop. That's it.
Zoe, right now, you're going up against Boog, who you've already played against. I know he's ready to kind of get some get back on that, and you're teaming up with Mo. How you feel?
Man, I feel good, bro. You know, I know they trying to get their get back, but shit, it's about to be on the flow.
Mo, you just said before this, you're like, is this going to 100? Are you trying to just go crazy in this game?
Nah, we just trying to get this paper. Yep.
All right, y'all. Subscribe to TNC. Go to tncleague.com. Make sure to cop a subscription. We're dropping early content on there throughout the entire season. Not every single game's coming out early, but a lot of the real hype games that you guys have been asking for, we are dropping out early. But Moon, good season so far. 2-1.
Shout out to the black team, man. First day, our plans to leave out 3-2.
All right, y'all. Hey, please leave a like on the video. Get this video to 20,000 likes. All right, guys.
Get to the action and shit.
Welcome back to another episode of the Next Chapter, Chapter 2, Season 4. We have a tag team 1-on-1 with. Welcome back to another episode of the Next Chapter, Chapter 2, Season 4. We have a tag team 1-on-1 with Boog and Zay versus Zoe and Mo. It's about to be a special, man. 4 guys that are really good basketball players, speedsters, defenders, all of that. All of the above. Hit the like button and subscribe with the ABC Crew, fellas. What's up?
I'm excited to see how Mo, plays in this type of scene too. Just because we saw him yesterday, the tag team only one with a lot of bigger guys. He gets to guard a lot of the smaller division. He's the biggest guy out there.
Yeah.
And he guards really well, so I'm very excited to see.
I will say, I think that the key for Zoe today is going to be counter work.
Right. See a little bit right there.
I like that.
But yeah, I agree. So I think when Mo does tag in, just the size advantage that he has, like he can play with some bigger guards. That's going to be a tough matchup for.
He's going straight in the paint.
Right. But on the other hand, Boog and Zay are pretty strong small guards, so they might be able to hold up. Zoe, fade away, tough one. See if Boog can get on the board. Had a great showing in the tag team. Shots there.
Oh, what? Yo, all right, we gotta.
Are you off the Predator?
Hey, you gotta have a sound effect like on ABC Crew. I ain't gonna lie. There need to be some type of sound when these niggas be shooting them. That bullshit.
Or what?
Not a little bit.
That was a
because there's been some missiles.
I know. I got it. Oh my lord, that's a bucket. But I will say, I'm gonna do like a more. I want to find something different. I want to find a new kill streak.
I respect that.
Yeah, I think it's time for a new kill streak, which is why I've been less on it.
Right now, fuck him, boy.
That joker could shoot the basketball, man.
I'm a fan of Boog.
Yes, bro. Yes.
6-0. No way. Let's see if Mo can stop Boog. Boog, 3 in a row. Looking for it. Hezzy.
Oh, here we go.
There it is.
The defensive specialist that is Mo has checked into this game.
Zay
and
tags
got a
in.
block. Oh, Zay checks in.
I think Mo goes downhill a lot in this matchup.
Might as well.
Shoot that shit, Mo. Shoot that shit. All the way up. Shoot that shit.
Hey, bro, Mo really be sitting, bro.
Yeah.
Maybe.
That's so Chris Paul.
Zay doesn't really see hands in the mid. He shoots over.
Oh.
He's letting that one go. He's letting that one go.
For sure. Oh my gosh. Right on cue.
This small guard duo is filthy. Oh, he might let that one go from there. Zay grooving.
Hey, Mo, listen to me. Shoot that shit, Mo.
Oh!
Damn. More of that. Yeah, that looked
Go back to that.
I think that works.
They clashing. How the fuck they clashing? How's that a problem? Like, come on, bro. How's that a problem? He trying to stand his ground. Shoot that shit. Shoot that shit, bro. Shoot that shit. Hey, bro. Hell no. Hell no.
Hey, right up to it.
3, 4, 5. That was goddamn it 4. That was goddamn it 4. Like, I ain't mad at you. I caught it for you. Hey, Mo, shoot that bitch, bro. I swear to God.
Look, Mo. It's already 14-0. They've got to scratch. They need a scratch immediately. Mo pulls up, still haven't scratched. They might have to do some offense defense with Zoe and him.
I like that. You want to fight back in the game?
Oh, Bugs check back. I didn't even notice.
That's good on the
Here we go.
Damn. Damn, you got to go.
Now these two have played before.
Yes, they have.
Yeah. A little get back for Boog.
Yeah. We might even get a rematch of this matchup this season.
No. You wasted 2 dribbles. You wasted 2 dribbles, time. I can't give you that.
He all hands, Lane. Come on, bro.
Right wing is Zoe jabbing. Ripping right going. Oh, good defense there. I'm telling you, he's going to have to add some type of counter, whether it be ankle step, snatch, just to get guys off balance. The straight downhill drives are not going to work for these guys. A lot of them are too seasoned.
Even if it's just a change of pace, float, and
Yeah,
explode
good call,
out of
man.
it. Oh, Boog can
I
shoot
see it before it even go in. That touchdown jumper, bro. That's a catch.
He's picking up where he left off. 17-0.
Let me back. He should have just shot at the pump fake with unnecessary. Let me back.
See if Zoe can scratch here. Zay
Zay
checks in. Fresh legs. Zoe, triple.
Oh, man, they have yet to scratch, yo. It's been a little
Nice.
minute. How long has this game been going on? At minimum 12 minutes, 13 minutes. Oh, this is going up.
3, 4. Oh, can't do that.
I saw Zay throw the elbow first.
That was bullshit.
That was crazy.
You gonna miss though. Anybody on that?
Zay connects at the line. 18-0.
I was going to say,
Here we go. We're trying to focus, but Farm Bomb TV is funny as hell. I'm just letting y'all know right now. If we ain't saying anything, it's because we're listening to Farm Bomb. Oh, blow by. I'm gonna say this again. Put the camera on me real quick. They have yet to scratch. Wow.
There's no way, right?
No way. There's no way. There's no way.
Okay.
There's no way. Stop it. Law of averages. Something's gotta fall.
If so, Bielsa has to admit the inevitable.
No, there's no inevitable here.
Zay, triple, short. What's the inevitable?
Don't you say it either.
Say it, please.
He's gonna have to make that Russell Westbrook statement.
Oh, you know what I keep forgetting? There's no timeout. I can think of why didn't I call a timeout? They literally can't.
No halftime.
Facts.
I think Mo scores here. I think he goes to the cup. I think he scores here.
You got to.
Law of averages. Do
Oh,
we believe
that's
in it?
good.
Yes. Do you believe in it, so?
Yeah,
It's objective.
No objective.
It's objective.
That's
He's saying it's objective.
Yeah, it's
That's
objective.
what-
You know I
into the
talk
next
fast.
word. Mo. Trey ball there.
You know I
it
talk
is.
fast. It's what I'm saying. It's objective.
Right. It just sounds like subjective, but if you're just finishing it's.
Facts.
Stop listening to me, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh, the shit out of him.
One dribble, Hezo gets straight downhill for Boog. No, it wasn't Malik Dunbar.
Oh.
Oh my God. One dribble, Hezo gets straight downhill for Boog. No, it wasn't Malik Dunbar. It was 4 dribbles. Might have been less.
Good evening, folks. Good evening. Good evening, Big Simple. I give you high weather.
Oh, he's making that. And I'm 0 for still.
Yeah, you gotta stop it.
Like what?
Say that when Russell Westbrook.
Let
me try something. Let me try something real quick. He misses. Okay.
Want me to kill him?
21-3, Jags up on the Chargers.
Am I
Football score,
right?
they gotta do it. Zay.
Oh yeah, sure he is.
Got the roll.
It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Maurice, dumbass.
Oh!
This nigga
From Detroit for real, nigga. I ain't seen no Michigan bucket yet. Show me a bucket. Shoot that shit.
Fambi's commentating for us at this point.
fuck up, huh?
Needed that.
Huh, bro?
Shoot it again, kid. That dumbass.
Yeah, shit!
Send it to the morgue.
Pump that ball up.
No, that shit. Shut up. Hey, give me that shit, nigga.
I think Boog just popped the ball.
This shit too. Hey!
Fuck that with you. Nigga, give me that shit, nigga.
That's block of the year candidate.
Lock that shit up.
Yeah, guys.
Wow. You can hear that from Lafayette.
Bro,
Oh my. Yeah.
Boy, where we get a leg? Don't fucking matter, little ass nigga.
Yeah.
woo, Boog, popping it right now. Hit the like button. I told you we getting back to the essence
I'm
of it.
sorry, bro. You made me like
Episode
pussy.
1, 2, 3, 7. We already on episode 10.
I'm just saying, bro. I can't vote that, bro.
Push that motherfucking crowd, you stupid ass bitch. Oh my God.
Hey, we don't even need commentary here.
Not really.
They can just handle it.
I be scared, man. This is
phenomenal.
bad. Oh.
Boog by himself.
Say, and he makes it, B.
And he makes it.
There we go.
Hey, that.
Right on
He
cue.
got the button on.
Call it the curse. It's a
Hey,
curse.
this is damn close.
Nigga, shut up. You ain't see it from him.
Zo triple
Right
needs
back
it.
at him.
Got
I seen it. I seen it. I seen it. I seen it.
Shoot again.
I What do you bugging?
Shoot his fucking face
Man, that
off.
shit suck, nigga. Come on, come my way. I got him.
Nigga. Oh, we might see a rematch between them two. Yeah. We got to rematch. We got to rematch.
Like, there's no way out. There's no timeouts.
My way. Send him my way. Shoot that shit, nigga. Okay, shoot that shit. Shoot that shit.
If he drop his fucking hand.
Oh man, he was in the jam. I don't know why I'm thinking about it. I thought he didn't pull it. Nonetheless, it's Boog's ball up 12.
Oh. That's loud. You can't. Boog only for yourself to keep pump fake. They'll look at pump fake. Boog on this. He just need to shoot it. He just need to hit right there.
If he drop his fucking hand.
Oh, he's paying attention.
Good trench, baby. Trencher. Boog. Zoe has to know that Boog has it on his mind going against him.
Oh yeah.
He has to know that. Every possession is like championship.
Zoe's on a 10-0 run.
He's lucky settling now. He had a meter that he got him to jump on. And he could got downhill. He didn't get downhill not once. He should have tried to go downhill after he got blocked. Go up, pump fake. Take wave to the dumbass.
Zay checks in. Mo checks in.
So what the fuck do I know though?
Get to where you want it. So that's right there. Bling blow.
Oh my. That shit is nasty.
You love that one dribble pool.
I love it too. Close into the pace.
There you go.
Offense, defense here.
He shot that.
Why you shooting from here?
Oh, they're like literally subbing in and out.
I like that. That shit empty. Reload. We gonna see. Yo. We gonna square. You gotta reload. You gotta hit square.
Oh man, that would have been crazy. Because he was grooving right there. I'm talking about it wasn't necessarily Mike Jack, but I give him
If you sit down here, bro, like
As long as it ain't
two plays back to
CB.
nobody
Let's
see
go.
me here.
Exactly.
it'd be a comeback.
Yes, Mo. Nothing. Bro, why you keep talking?
I don't like how they call them two really dumbass calls on the white team that wasn't really fouled, let them shoot free throws, but this nigga, they ain't shot a free throw yet. I'm just saying.
Boog's gonna let it fly from there.
They said both of them didn't count on
Thinking about it.
I'll believe that.
Stay solid. Good defense.
Oh my God.
Man, he is sewage flow.
It's getting ridiculous. No, we're not calling that.
Uh-oh.
He choked him. What are you talking about?
Boog is pressing around.
He can jump into him. He grabbed his neck. He blocked that one, bro. He blocked bro, they're not calling that. They're not calling that. Hey!
I just got a fucking strike, right? Don't put that shit down, get you some water. They said Boog and kill mom. I believe it.
Man, the energy in this building right now, y'all. I mean, if you were here in person, it's on 20. It's not even on 10, it's on 20.
Hey, where you at? He said your shit jam. Show him.
See this fucking face off.
Show him.
See this fucking face off.
No, it ain't.
Me?
That's a
Oh, they got a fall,
makes her to
man.
miss it. That's a tough shot for
They got a
two.
fall. That pissed me
Make him
off.
work a little bit.
Why the fuck Keon got a tear? What, this WWE?
Yeah. Might be tripping.
Bro, yo.
You gotta move him out that top of the key, bro. I swear to God. You gotta let him shoot for somewhere else. You gotta make him shoot for somewhere else.
Go, Boog. Go, Boog. Go, Boog.
Jabbing, pulling again.
No way.
Oh,
are you
my
kidding me?
Lord. Boog.
Watch out. You know what's going on. Watch out, bro.
I can't even believe he shot that dumb
What you
shit.
talking about? Try hard. Try hard. Try hard. Try hard.
Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna yell at him too.
Try hard. Big bow there.
Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
Zay checks in.
Man, Moore got to give Zoe something offensively, though. Has he scored in this tag team?
Yeah, he hit a 3.
Hit a 3?
Yeah.
Oh my
Zoe.
God.
He came back before. Yes, sir.
Hey! You need that, brother.
That's what it was. He wasn't expecting to catch it.
You need that, brother. You need that. I cannot do it.
Hey, bro, you gotta push him one way and keep him that way. Whatever way
He don't really play defense. It's for,
They don't flex on me right now. They down on O.
Fuck, you don't got no offensive game or something? Yo, Mo, they don't believe in you or something? Yo, Mo, they don't believe in you? So keep on offense. Keep on offense.
Bro, this nigga kill, bro.
Yeah, stay out here, Mo. Thank you. That's all I want.
Kill, bro. What the fuck?
I'd love to see Mo drive and get on 2 and just use his side advantage.
Me too. I don't want to see him put
Drive
no
hard,
shit.
play
He
on
did
two.
anyway. He did anyway.
You better turn to me, though.
I feel him.
He better turn me.
He believe in at least.
I need a bucket. Turn me up. Turn me up. Bye. Going up. That was 1-2 though. Nah, you got it early. You can't let it go through one.
Boog's ability to shoot opens up everything for him.
You got to shoot that.
All shot right there. Mo with the basketball up 14. He's going to shoot a mid-range, yeah. I'm surprised he's not utilizing his size right. Really, I don't understand.
I know he tweaked his ankle. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. He seems to be moving well.
Yeah, he's sliding well.
So I don't know.
Yo, that shit would have hurt. That shit would have hurt, Paul.
You suck, bro.
Zoe checking in. Got to make him put it on the floor.
Yo, Fabi is like the main character, though. Like, I'm so serious.
How close to the essence is he? Pretty close.
He is. Right
or is
now,
he the?
That's what I say. He might be the essence right now. He might be
Like that's why I got Fabi top 5.
the essence.
Mo's asking Fabi for a game, mid-game. Zoe connects at the line.
Who's going to do that?
Hey, we good.
What the fucking fall, bro?
Why are you playing, Millie? So, it's only a 13-point ball game, right? I know they got 4 points to win, but we've seen crazy runs, obviously.
Yep.
14-point ball game. Don't sound that bad. When you can make some threes.
I mean,
Yeah.
just line these two up.
Please.
We need a rematch.
Please line this back up. With a chance to guard game. Boog, step back. Good defense there from Mo.
Great.
Doesn't
Look very safe, does it?
Let's pull it on this.
Nick, what the fuck is you doing?
Way down.
Like the video.
Rachel nickname should be Aunt Tenekia.
He can step out and then mix it up, and he just needs to see one go.
I like
through the
you,
hoop
Boog.
right now.
We get a stop, Boog. Yeah.
He could have been hit that.
Finally didn't settle there, you know?
Yeah,
He
he's
could have
so
been hit
good.
that.
He's trying to figure
He
it out.
could have at least 12 points on just that. On Boog and Zay. Just 12.
That shit sucks, dumbass. That shit sucks, dumbass.
2 points. Even score. Let's even the score.
Look at this game.
Call game. Oh, rocket step. He got the step. Oh.
Yeah, that's like, oh.
First down.
Hard fall.
Targeting.
Boog going to the line right here to be 1 point away from a victory for Team Moon. It'll be their second win.
2-2.
I don't think there's any way these two don't line up a rematch in the next few
They
days.
have to.
It just makes too much sense. I'd love to see it, but Boog can call game here.
Go ahead, no, I can't even stay down. Oh, yeah.
Beep beep. Going to the line for game.
It's like you respect the shot of the shooting hand or the guide hand, so he just throws it out. He just throws it out and runs to go get it. It's filthy. And just pew.
Make him shoot tough twos. Get in his pocket.
I like that clip gone. That clip gone.
Where's this teammate at? He doesn't listen to fucking Bobby. And they down 14 points. Look at that dumb shit.
Boog, top of the key.
Shut the fuck up, little boy.
Wow.
Awesome.
Boog and Zay take the tag team 1-on-1. It's officially
Like, share, subscribe. Ow.